Greetings LEGO fans, welcome once again to another toy review, this time around. Okay, so I got this a couple weeks back from Collecticon. I got it for $2. The first pack, impulse pack I got, me and OJ found it there at Collecticon last October 2nd and 3rd. I actually saw it on the last day was the last one. The rest were Duplos. They were selling it for $2, 100 pesos. If you're not noticing, exchange rate is times 50 to Filipino money. So packaging is standard packaging, 28 pieces, and oh, you got it. Released in 2009. So let's just open this thing and let's see. Oh. Okay, so okay, standard instruction manual. Okay, so right there with farm. Okay, let's do this on camera. Okay, so I'll do this building up with the vehicle. Okay. Well, kind of fast for me to do this, but let's do this right now on camera. I want to do this impromptu, so okay. First, let me just build the minifigure. Comes with the farmer with the hat, kind of like Indiana Jones. There's the leg. There we go. Okay, so tires. Let's just do this in one go. Okay, so I'm just doing this on my own. Just scramble the stuff. This is the first time I'm doing this. Okay. Okay. Somebody's outside, probably. Now let's almost done. Okay, where's the other one? Oh, okay, there it is. Okay, pretty much I'm doing this on non-following the instructions. Okay, you know me, I'm not much of a Lego builder, so I'm building this like the usual thing. Okay, so we're putting up the headlights. Okay. Okay, there you go. And like quickly doing this fast and furious. Okay. Okay, built the farm truck. The levers popped out that thing. I wasn't aligning it. Legos these days are different than way back, so let me just get this thing over with. Okay, steering wheel. Okay, wait up. There you go. Almost done. Almost done right there. Okay, so practically I'm done. So for extra stuff here, extra parts. Doesn't look like the same way I thought about it, but I got it. So there are extra stuff. Okay, so basically, let me just give you the details here. Yeah, I already finished the under 5 minutes instruction manual if you were looking at it, with the farm set from the city. Okay, so these are the extra parts. Okay, so keep that so you won't lose it. Okay, so I'm pretty much surprised. Okay. Okay, so just give you the look of the minifigure. Farm boy here. Okay, so I don't know if the macro is picking up the this guy. Okay, so pretty much a standard you know, farmer. Let me just do a 360 spin on this guy. Okay, I'm just slowly closing to the screen. Okay, so nice figure. I'll just keep this out of the way. What about the the tractor? Okay, so pretty much simple, but I like the wheels. Okay, so there you go. You got a farm boy right now. Can ride his tractor right there. Pretty much that's the way it is. So wow, let me just see if it's gonna roll. Yeah, roll it right there. Okay, so I guess I got a new vehicle. First Lego to build on screen. No need to edit. Put this back. Anyway, so nice, pretty much for $2. This is cheap. The regular Lego is being sold for like 400 pesos, like $8. So pretty much Lego here is pricey on retail. It's not a highway robbery. That's how it is here in the Philippines. So pretty much this is a new one for me to add to my city collection. Well, actually, I only have vehicles. No plates, no house, just vehicles. So again, well, appreciate your time and patiently watching this build of the Lego farm tractor. And thank you for watching. Have a good one. Okay, bye.